Hello friends, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for watching this video. Today I'm going to be showing how to easily replace a blade on your Cricut Maker machine. First of all, make sure that your machine is turned off and unplugged from the power source. Open the clamp on the housing unit by pulling it to the left and gently lift the housing unit from the machine. Locate this small knob on the top of the blade and push on it. This way you can easily see your blade and you can pull it out. I do not recommend using your bare hands for this, but rather some kind of tweezers. Once you've pulled out your old blade, secure it in a safe space. Push on the knob on your housing unit in order to insert the new blade. After inserting, release the pressure from the knob. And your new blade is securely in place in its housing unit. Place the blade housing unit back into the machine and close the clamp until it clicks into place. And that's it, your Cricut machine is now ready to use with a new blade.